Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Is there any possible way for Matic to come back, eventually go above the 2 USDT and even proceed to a new all-time high? And if this is so, when this is going to happen? Of course, before we begin, I hope that you're having a fantastic day and do not forget to join our monthly subscription Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Let's go and see some details about Matic. First of all, we have the weekly frame, right? On the weekly frame, you can see that we found rejection right here. We had a little bit of a fake out. Everyone thought that we are going all the way up higher right now, but we had the bearish RSI divergence, long bearish RSI divergence from 20 December towards the 10 May. Look at that. And of course, this was the end for Matic. We went all the way down, correcting more and more and more. And from the all-time high of Matic towards the loss, and actually towards the bottom that we had, it is an 82.86% correction. Huge stuff going there for Matic, and we want to see right now, what are we going to do? Where is the next target? What is Matic going to do over the next few weeks? First of all, I want to tell you something, that Matic on the weekly frame is in a hugely extreme oversold situation, not only because of the commodity channel index, but because of the stochastic RSI, because of the Fisher transform as well, and of course, because of the Williams R. Okay. But anyway, I will be giving you the price target that I think Matic will be going later on. So I will be splitting this chart into two parts. The first one will be if Bitcoin is going to be bullish. Okay, so perhaps if Bitcoin goes to 26k, let's say, and then it starts its bull run again, or if Bitcoin goes below 25k. In the first scenario, that Bitcoin can remain into the high levels, and we already found a near bottom, as we call it, Matic will be able to go maybe again towards the 0.50 and then have a huge buying pressure, which can lead all the way to the 0.81 and maybe the 1 USDT again. So in particular, if BTC has an uptrend and therefore the bull trend continues and maybe BTC even goes higher than the 50k and so on, then of course Matic is going to go easily towards the 5 USDT. Okay, however, this is the first scenario. The second scenario, which is the most probable scenario for crypto market, is that we are going further down, right? Everyone knows that, everyone actually anticipates that, okay? And this is a trap right there, because if everyone anticipates one thing, you realize that the most probable scenario, it is not to do the same thing. The second one, though, it is way more probable, it is for Bitcoin to go further down, and this would mean that Matic will be going down to the 0.28. Is that yes, Bill? Are you actually honest that Matic could be going down all the way there? Yes, it can. From the all-time high, it can even lose a 90%. Of course, that is a very huge support level. And I think that you should pay attention if we are going to go down there. You should pay attention to this target. However, this whole thing won't come down all the way with just one run, right? Matic won't keep going down forever. In just one run, we are going all the way down to the 0.284. What I mean by that is that we might be stopping, for example, a little bit further down, and then we have a price pump towards the 0.74, let's say, for example. Then we go further down again, and this will happen in the next weeks. Okay, during a next week period, we are going to have lower highs and lower lows, but at the same time, we are going to see pumps, right? Because eventually you can see that Matic, not even Matic only, but many altcoins are in this position. They have gone insanely bearish on the weekly frame. And of course, this could be a huge bearish consolidation right here, but in overall, for Matic against USDT, this could mean that we might have a little bit of a bump before we go down again, right? We cannot keep going down forever, and we have already lost the 82% of its start valuation for Matic, right? So eventually what we need to do right now is to have the commodity channel index right here to be able to push itself higher, although I would prefer to focus more on the price analysis right now. And the 0.28 is a very, very easily achievable target for Matic, especially if Bitcoin things go wrong and we go down from the 25k for BTC. I'm expecting a swing high of relief. What I mean by that is if I look Matic against USD on the daily frame, I'm expecting something better. Although it doesn't look like we are going to see something better for now for Matic, and it looks like we will go and keep this downtrend even further down into the next support levels. Maybe this is a pin target right here, the 0.50, so we might be going down again, and then we have a pump and the buying pressure. This is for the next days I'm talking about, right? In the meantime, though, we do not have any critical oversold situation to say that, oh, Matic has gone to find, for example, a bullish RSI divergence. It has formed a bullish RSI divergence or something like that. Nothing out of it, okay? So we cannot assume that we are bullish on the daily frame. On the 4-hour frame, we are slightly bearish. What I mean by that is that we found rejection on the 20-day MA for now. We will be going and do what BTC is going to do. Okay, so do not worry about that. But in overall, on the weekly frame, what I mean by that and what I think about Matic is that on the next weeks, it will go down towards the 0.284. This is going to be a longer correction than we expect, and a further correction for Matic against USDT. On the 0.284, we will have a greatly good buying pressure. That we are going to see Matic going all the way from here, maybe into a reaccumulation phase. So this will be the next step for a reaccumulation period for Matic as well. In terms of the weekly frame, in terms of the next days, for example, let's say for the next 15 to 20 days, we might be having a small pump. However, this is the total trend I'm talking about for the next weeks. So do not expect anything major from Matic. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.